Hello guys, so today I'll be teaching you how to animate in Blender. So it's something new on this channel. Yeah, I've been testing out some new programs. So okay, here we got a cube. Okay, so let's make our set. I'm gonna go to add. How about we just add um a cone, I'd say. Press G to no, not the cube. Well, we could do that, but where's our cone? Okay, so here we're gonna put our cone here, and let's say we want the cube to jump on this cone. Wait, let me scale it. Press G to grab. Yeah, make sure. Go here on Blender. Yeah, so yeah, we want our cube to jump. Okay, so here we're gonna press I, and we're gonna press location, and it adds a keyframe. When it adds a keyframe, basically when you add a keyframe, it's like a checkpoint for your animation. So right now I don't got any animation for the I don't got any keyframes for the animation yet, but here we're gonna move it to around 50, and then we're gonna move it. We're gonna okay, wait, let me level it out. It's going to go up, and then we press G to grab. Then basically we put location, rotation, and scale here. Let's see. But oopsie daisies. Gotta delete this keyframe because we made a mistake, and a small tiny mistake. But don't worry anyways, because that isn't a problem. Okay? And basically we're gonna add another keyframe. Okay? We're gonna G to grab, we're gonna be R here, G to grab again, near here, we're gonna press I rotation. Okay, so here's what it's gonna look like. I know it's wonky and weird, but I guess that's what happens when you're too lazy to do anything. So we're gonna make it so basically it's gonna be every it's gonna skip 10. Okay, so here look at our animation. Oh my goodness, it's so good. But 3 minutes on the clock already. So I'm gonna click here. Basically I'm gonna go back to here, and basically I will go to 60. I put what the the cube. We'll just okay. Speaking of that, got a cube. Let's undo. Let's go undo. Gotta undo. Undo on our cube. Just did that. Okay, there. And basically, here we're gonna press G again and R. Okay, wait, let me go. Okay, and G to nearly stick its up in its butthole, but I don't care. Okay, so we're gonna okay, so station skill. Let's go back. Okay, so here's my wonky animation that looks like it came out of some meme channel. So here, so don't mind the spike nearly sticking up where the sun don't shine. Yeah, but basically I don't care. So we're gonna go back a little bit. basically these keys, we're just going to put them back a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna make it quick here. Okay, so that's our animation. And yeah, thanks for watching and bye.